Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install RAM into your motherboard. So the first thing that you need to check is that your RAM is supported by your motherboard. So you need to check that you have the right type of RAM and that your motherboard supports it. Now, once you've checked that you have the right RAM, if you're not populating all of the RAM slots on the motherboard, then you should look at the manual to check if the motherboard needs a certain number of RAM sticks inserted into certain slots. So for example, if I was only installing 2 sticks of RAM, then the motherboard might say to only install them in the grey slots, or it might say only install them in the black slots. So once you've checked your motherboard for which slots you should be putting your RAM in, we can now start installing the RAM into the motherboard. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pull the tabs back on the slots you're going to be installing the RAM into, like so. So the tab should be pulled back, and then you need to get your RAM sticks and you need to line the notch in the RAM, so the notch in the RAM here, up with the notch in the slot here. So once you have that lined up, you then need to gently insert the RAM into the slots, and then once you're sure it's correctly seated into the slot, you then just need to apply pressure on each side downwards until the clips clip into place like so. So now, as you can see, the clips on either side have now clipped in. So guys, that's how you install RAM into a motherboard. If you liked it, don't forget to the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.